the importance of Biafra History Month to all of Ndi Igbo. Biafra History Month is marked every May across our Igbo and remembered by the diasporas as well. This is much more than a remembrance. It is necessary awakening for the entire Ndi Igbo. Just like the Black History Month commemorated in America, this offers a space for reflection and the journey to retain our truth as a people. We are truly a people with scarred but yet resilient history. Over 3 million of our children starved to death during the Nigeria-Biafra war. The pain was televised. Our grief was global. Yet, we are still silenced. Why do we remember? Because a people without memory are easily manipulated. Because, you see, history, when forgotten, is often repeated because the war may have ended, but its effect still shape our identity and possible future. What's powerful is that Biafrans have told this story of theirs, much more than the so-called victors. That alone is resilience. That alone is resistance. That alone is survival. History is usually written by the winners. But then we as Ndi Igbo insist on writing our own story. Questions that we must ask ourselves. Why did Biafra really happen? And what did we learn? What are we refusing to learn as a people? And why does this conversation remain at the center of every Igbo discourse, even today? Biafra History Month isn't just for remembrance. It is a call to understand and to act, to pass down our stories without distortion, to honor our heroes, to educate our children, and to reclaim our dignity as a great people. The Nigerian state may have erased our history from the schools and from the books, but we must not let our memory be erased because we remember. We owe our offsprings and our ancestors to preserve and to proclaim our identity and story as Ndi Igbo. For more information, follow us on all our social media platforms, like, subscribe, and share.